so deep in my heart. You're really a part of me. I've got you under my skin. I tried so hard not to give in, but I said to myself, this affair never can go so well. Oh, darling, why do I try when I know so well I've got you under my skin, and I would sacrifice anything, come what might, for the sake of having you near, in spite of the warning signs that come in the night and repeat in my ear. Don't you know, little fool, you never can win. Lose your mentality, wake up to reality. 'Cause each time I stop, just the thought of you makes me stop before I begin. 'Cause I've got you under my skin.